Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel here once again. I am happy I got this mouse. I am excited to do the unboxing of it. This right here in front of you is the Maya X 8K from Fnatic. Now, you're kind of wondering where's the great one that I was going to get. Unfortunately, I ordered that mouse last week and it's still not been shipped out. And I checked what was on Sunday to check if it was going to be shipped out. Wasn't. And it said unavailable. And they didn't have the black one as well because it said the same thing. So then Monday came, I saw that they did not have the mouse. They had the black one now available, but they didn't have the gray one. But then when I searched again, I saw they had this one available. So it was going to be here on Friday, which today is Friday, and it's here. I was like, I'm going to get it. Fuck yeah, I'm excited. I really don't care about the color because I really love the shape. And plus, my hand's gonna cover it. I know some people may not like the color, but the purpose why I kind of got over that, is I don't like the color. I don't mind orange, it's fucking cool. And also I have the Thor version of this mouse, which I don't want to touch that mouse because it's like a collector. I love the shape, but really I love this one a lot more. Now, I want to go symmetrical. And I think this mouse is like one of the best mouses when it comes to palm grip. And furthermore, is that I found out that with this mouse, the length of it is 124 millimeters. And I tried out ergo mouse like the RYZEN that I love the shape better. I like a smaller mouse compared to the Razer DeathAdder V3 Pro. And I feel like that this type of length and along this palm grip, it works for me. I could do a lot more better. Even I have some gaming sessions that I do shit. I still be happy. Like when I had the black version of the mod, I was still enjoying because I was still doing really well enough. I wanted to win, but you know, I did good enough and it really put a smile on my face. Also, before we start doing the unboxing of this mouse, I am gonna upload 2 videos today. One of them is gonna be the keyboard, so be on the lookout of that one. So I went with the Apex Pro TKL Wireless Gen 3. I'm really happy about that keyboard. I want to show you guys how it looks. Enjoy that video as well. You can like it. You got any questions, you can ask the comment section on that video as well. And then once this video is uploaded, any questions you guys want to ask me about my mouse or other typical recommendations you guys want me to recommend you, I will try to do my best to help you out. Now it's time for me to unbox this mouse, shall we? Excited. Oh. All right, come on. Open. Lord. I got it. Oh my God, it smells good. Okay, so you guys wondering will my other Lamzu products will work with that web-based software? Unfortunately, no, because it needs to have that chip to communicate with that web-based software. Hopefully, future future Lamzu products, like probably they might come out with a new Thorn that will support that. But this is the only mouse, unfortunately. Not even the little bud doesn't have this type of capability, unfortunately. It's like, I feel like, I know this is stupid, but I'm gonna try my best to say it. It's like, you know, when like the Maya is like the first kid, and now the parents decide to have a second kid, so now they had show more love to the second kid than the first kid. That's what I feel like with this mouse. One thing I love to say about this packaging is how beautiful this thing is. It's like a book. So to the left, take notes Razer, take notes Logitech, bring extra feet and grip. Well, grip, it's not a big deal, but at least bring extra feet. And I like that. That right there is to put it under the mouse itself for no dust doesn't come in inside the mouse and damage it. So if you have like a cat or like you have dog who sheds, that will kind of protect it. But for me, I don't have pets, so that will not be an issue. Also comes with side grip, and they really did a good job of cutting this thing perfectly for the sides and also for the left click and right click. Extra mouse feet as well, which is awesome. I love this. Over here is the power cord. Now, I don't know if this is stiffened compared to the one I had previously with the black Maya. Hopefully it's not, but that's the only gripe I have about the cable. It's just a little bit stiff. Hopefully after a while, it'll just loosen it up. Look at that. Orange at the end. USB Type-C, USB Type-A. Lovely. What else that comes in the box? Comes with stickers. Nice. Ooh, it comes with a user guide. Awesome. Let me put that towards the side. Put that over here. Put that over here. Okay. What else? Oh, you got right here is the 8K wireless receiver. Nice rubberized grip at the bottom for it doesn't go nowhere. Stays firmly. Let's do the quick test right here. Oh yeah, that's not gonna go nowhere. USB Type-C as well. It says right there 8K polar rate. Ooh, la 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 la. Love this. Love these. What's this? That's a serial number? Ooh, okay. And finally, the mouse itself. Damn, that shit smells good. At the bottom is skeleton. Yes, I am going to remove the mouse feet. Does not mean that it's going to give you better glide using these tapes. You have to remove it, and pretty much you get good glide. If you leave it like that, you pretty much will be fucked. Let's do a quick sound test, shall we? See? This is how side button's supposed to be, Logitech. I ain't that much pre-tell. I just loved, oh my God, I love the sound of these sound buttons. The left click and right click. Now, my favorite part is to see how this mouse. Let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. As you see, as I mentioned earlier in the video, see how it is lengthwise that the Viper V3 is a little bit longer. It's just a little bit shorter, which it doesn't bother me, but I don't like how it feels. Like I like how this thing, this mouse feels a lot more better, as I feel like it just fits perfectly in my hand. And also I can palm grip without no issues, which I love it. Look at that, it just fits like a glove. And I love the grooves right there. That gives me even better grip for my fingers. That means that I don't have to accidentally hit the scroll wheel. G Pro Superlight, I had that issue. With this mouse, I don't. It just feels really good in the hands. I just love this. Really happy to try out this mouse. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna stop this part of the video right here, set everything up, and show you guys how does it look. I forgot to mention one thing right here. It tells you two indications right there. One that will tell you your DPI stage you're at. Also gives you a little flash warning that your mouse is about to die. Charge me or no, you're gonna be screwed. So I'm gonna stop right here and get this mouse set up ready to go. Okay, so I got the mouse ready to go. Yes, I did remove the mouse feet. So you don't have to come after me with pitchforks and fire sticks. So this is how the software looks. And I kind of like this, because when I used to have the black one, it did show the black, what mouse you really have. And it's awesome. It shows you which one do you have as well. Also, they came out with new colors too, which is awesome. I wanted to go with this one, but you know what? This orange one looks awesome. Any questions you guys want to ask me, you can answer them down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, enjoy your weekend. Please be on the lookout for the 2 videos that I'm going to upload. So take care, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Hasta mañana.